Welcome to the informative POCO C40, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches is screen recording on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. After that, click here to the screen recorder section and scroll a little bit more down. Now we can see here show touch gestures or show the button taps. So just to show them in your screen recordings, you should click on the switchers, and to turn them off, you should click on the switchers once again. And that's it. Also, if you want to open the screen recorder settings by the second way, you should first open notification panel shortcuts. After that, somewhere here you should find the screen record icon. To launch the settings, hold for a while this icon, and here you'll see show touch gestures and button tap switchers to do that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.